Let's break down some of the biggest animated movies coming out after Toy Story 5. First up is Disney Animation's Hext. This is easily one of Disney's most mysterious upcoming projects. Very little has been officially revealed, but early info points to a magical fantasy adventure centered around curses, transformations, and powerful magic. Disney has been searching for its next big original fantasy world, and Hext could absolutely be the one. Then there's Forgotten Island. This original animated adventure is already generating buzz just off its mysterious title alone. The film is expected to explore a hidden island packed with secrets, ancient legends, and discoveries that could change everything the characters know about their world. We are also getting Diary of a Wimpy Kid: The Getaway. Greg Heffley is back for another animated adventure based on one of the most popular books in the series. If you have read the novels, you already know The Getaway takes Greg and his family on a vacation that quickly spirals into a total disaster. Now let's talk about one of the most talked about animated projects of the last few years, Coyote vs. Acme. The film follows Wile E. Coyote as he finally snaps and takes legal action against the Acme Corporation after years of dealing with their defective products. It's a genuinely hilarious concept that brings classic Looney Tunes characters into a modern story. Next on the list is The Cat in the Hat. The iconic Dr. Seuss character is returning in a brand new animated adaptation. But unlike previous versions, this one is expected to lean fully into modern animation techniques while still staying faithful to the wild animation and energy of the original books. After that comes The Angry Birds Movie 3. This third installment is expected to keep expanding the Angry Birds universe, bringing in new characters, much bigger threats, and possibly even introducing the next generation of birds. For fans of stop motion, Wildwood is one you will definitely want to watch. Created by Laika, the incredibly talented studio behind Coraline and Kubo and the Two Strings, Wildwood promises a dark fantasy adventure full of magic, mystery, and some unforgettable creatures. Then we have Reagan. Directed by Brad Bird, the legendary creator of The Incredibles and Ratatouille, Reagan has the potential to be one of the biggest animated films of the decade. The story reportedly follows the very last private detective in the galaxy as he investigates mysteries across a futuristic universe. Combining sci-fi, action, and mystery, it really has all the ingredients of a future animation classic. Finally, we have Paw Patrol, the Dino Movie. The Paw Patrol franchise just keeps growing, and this new adventure is bringing dinosaurs into the spotlight. Ryder and the pups will likely face their biggest prehistoric challenge yet, mixing their classic rescue missions with giant dinosaur action. For younger audiences, this is easily going to be one of the most exciting animated releases coming up. So, which upcoming animated movies are you most looking forward to?